What is computer mouse? Mouse is pointing input device of computer. Mouse help to control cursor that is visible on the computer screen while moving the mouse on a flat surface place. Its name was originated by its shape that look as a mouse. Because it has elliptical shape with mouse tail, mouse reduces usability of a keyboard. Traditional mouse was connected with computer through cable or cord. But now, these days, in the market, have two various mouse are available such as wireless mouse. Those mice do not need any physical wire to make connection with computer in technology time. Some mouse has extra buttons for performing other special tasks.
Hi, let's discuss the parts of the mouse and its functions. Number 1, we have buttons. Now, these days, every mouse has two buttons. One is on the left and other is on the right. With the help of these buttons, users can manipulate any object and text as well on the computer. Number 2, ball, laser, LED. In mechanical mouse, we have rubber ball that roll on the surface things such as table, and in the optical mouse, we have laser or LED. These parts allows the mouse for movement on x-axis and y-axis direction, and its parallel move to the mouse cursor on the computer screen. Number 3, we have mouse wheel. The main objective of the mouse wheel is for scrolling your document page in an up and downward direction. Number 4, printed circuit board. This board is placed inside of the mouse chassis. In that board, all electronics components embedded such as capacitor, diode, and register, and many more. This board takes input in the form of electronic signals when user given instructions by mouse such as clicking, scrolling, and more. Number 5, cable wireless receiver. Corded mouse have cable for plugging with computer. If your mouse is wireless, then it requires the USB receiver for getting the broadcasted signals such as infrared, Bluetooth, radio signals, and then give input to the computer. Number 6, the battery. This component is used in the wireless mouse for running stages. If its battery gets down, then mouse will not working properly. Number 7, the microprocessor. This is a processor that is embedded on the circuit board of mouse. Microprocessor is the brain of the mouse because without microprocessor, every components of mouse are worthless.
Now, these days, almost everybody aware about mouse, but anyone in the mind some question can be arise, such as what are the uses of computer mouse? Here are some examples that will explain to us of how to use computer mouse. The first uses of mouse is movement mouse cursor. This is main function of mouse is moving form when we roll mouse up or down, then mouse cursor move on the computer screen. Second is the selection. With using mouse, users can select any images, text, any file and folder or etc. and then can be perform other tasks such as copy, delete, and paste. Like this. Third, drag. Mouse allows to users for moving any objects with the help of drag function. In this method, firstly select object, then can be moved object while pressing the mouse button, and drag object where to place it. Fourth, hovering. When mouse cursor over on the clickable object, then display the information without pressing any button of mouse and change the color of links as well. Can be go destination page after pressing that hyperlink. Lastly, scroll up and down. If you perform any activities on the enlarged document, then you need mouse's scroll button for doing up and down your document page. Otherwise, user can up and down scroll bar while pressing mouse cursor.
What is the purpose of mouse? It has 5 purposes, such as program execution. With the help of mouse, users can execute many tasks such as open file, close folder, maximize and minimize any windows, double clicks for opening object, and more. Second is editing. Mouse allows the users to editing images in the image editor software such as Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and Picasa, etc. Third is playing game. With using mouse, users can play various games such as chess game. In that game, need mouse for selecting any particular objects. Fourth is combination activities. Many tasks can be performed by using some keyboard keys, along with mouse such as Ctrl plus mouse click for hyperlink in new windows and control scrolling for zooming in and out screen, etc. And last, operate audio and video. Some special mouse have multimedia buttons for controlling the audio video such as do enhance, down volume level, etc. And that's all.
How to use a mouse or correct mouse hold. Learning the correct mouse hold is important for helping kids to be able to use a mouse quickly and effectively. It's important to learn this early on because developing an unsuitable hold can become a habit that is hard to break later. To hold the mouse correctly, you should place your palm on the base of the mouse, put your thumb on the side of the mouse closest to the computer, put your index finger on the left button, put your middle finger on the right button, put your remaining fingers on the far side of the mouse, and your wrist should be straight following the angle of your arm and not twisted to either side or higher or lower.